Hi mga ga! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Allen Rose Andalahaw and we're here again for another vlog. So for today's video, I will share to you how drugs can be administered and what is the concept of toxicology. First, let's define what is drugs. So drugs is a substance that used as a medicine or in the making of medicine which affects the body and mind and potential for abuse. Drugs can administer in 5 methods: the oral, injection, inhalation, topical, and iontophoresis.
Oral is the safest, most convenient, and economical route whenever possible. That is usually in form of tablets and capsules. Injection. This form of drugs offers a faster response than the oral method. It makes use of a needle or other device to deliver the drugs directly into the body tissue and blood circulation. Inhalation. This route makes use of gaseous and volatile drugs, which are inhaled and absorbed rapidly through the mucus of the respiratory tract. Topical medication. This medicine is applied to the body surface, such as the skin or mucous membranes, to treat ailments. Iontophoresis, or the administration of drugs into the deeper layers of the skin by use of a special type of electric current for local effect to cure inflammation.
So that's all for the administration of drugs. Let's proceed to the concept of toxicology. Toxicology is the study of adverse effects of chemical substance on living organisms and the practice of diagnosing and treating exposures to toxins and toxicants. It is also known as a science of poison. So drugs can cause dangerous effects because of the following: the overdose, allergy, idiosyncrasy, poisonous property, and the side effects.
First is the overdose. It is when too much of drug is taken into the physiological system of the human body. There may be an overextension of its effects. The second one is the allergy. Some drugs cause the release of histamine, giving rise to allergic symptoms such as dermatitis, swelling, fall in blood pressure, suffocation, and death. Another one is the idiosyncrasy. It refers to the individual reaction to a drug, food, etc. for unexplained reasons. The next is poisonous property. Drugs are chemicals, and some of them have the property of being general protoplasmic poisons. Lastly, the side effects. The effect in the other organs may constitute a side effect, which are most of the time unwanted.
So that's all for this video, guys. I hope you learned something. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.